Hey y'all, welcome back to Just the Tip. This is 12 o'clock and I'm here this week with a different kind of tip. Not our usual kind of tip. This one's more, hey, shop here, don't shop here kind of thing. And usually I don't do these, but this was such a crazy difference in pricing that I had to share it. As you may have heard on some of the other episodes on the channel, I'm working on a trailer and I needed some hose clamps for some plumbing. I needed like 13 clamps altogether. Different sizes. So I went to some choice name parts stores that I won't mention, and they have hose clamps, 2 of these for like $3. 4 little ones or 2 of the bigger ones, and they were $3 to $3.50 a piece. So I was gonna have to spend like $30 or $40 on clamps to get everything I needed. So I waited a second because I was like, they can't be that much. I went to Harbor Freight and I got this 40-piece set, and I got this whole set for $5.99, I think it was. $5.99. And it came with 40 of them. So for the price of 4 clamps at the parts stores, you get 40. I actually ended up getting 2 of these because of the sizes that it comes with. I needed some more of these, but I have 2 of these. I got 80 of them for 12 bucks. You can't beat it. That's why I had to share it with you. Shop where you want, but go to Harbor Freight for hose clamps, y'all. Definitely. It's crazy the difference. All right, well, this is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip. So just for this episode, a bonus tip. Drain pans, y'all. 7-quart drain pans. Do not go to the auto parts store. Go to Dollar Tree. They're $1. Crazy, right?